How you doing? It's Dr. Doom 910 YouTube. Wanted to show you my custom AR15 that I built. I think I've got somewhere between 500 and 1,000 rounds through it. I love this gun. I haven't had one failure on it. I built everything there is on it from the ground up. Nothing was pre-assembled. I've got muzzle brake, Spark 2 red dot, which I really like. Hexamag mags, they work pretty good. Spikes tactical lower, it's the Crusader lower. I've got a spring kit, I think a JT spring kit for my trigger that gives me around a 3-pound trigger. What else? I've got Magpul stock, Magpul handle or grip. I've got a nickel boron bolt carrier group by Fail Zero, which is amazing. I run this thing completely dry, really easy to clean. I shot it today. I shot 100 rounds without a drop of oil and no problems at all. It's amazing, and it just wiped right off for the most part. It's been a great gun. Don't be afraid to build your own rifle, guys. I know manufacturers make good guns, but there's no reason why you can't make a good gun yourself. Just make sure your headspace is okay. So you could build it, take it to a gunsmith, and just say, hey, you know, could you just check the headspace on this, just to make sure, if you don't know what that is, that everything's okay. And what headspace is right here, where the round chambers and where this sits in battery, that you have the correct amount of room for the round to sit here, where it's not going to be too small of an area for the round to sit in, or too big of an area. So there's plenty of videos on headspace, look it up. But I've got more stuff into this rifle, but I've probably put about $1,100 into this, so $1,500. So there it is. Dr. Doom out.
40% off MSRP. That's where I like.
That's a hell of a good thing. But besides that,
Pretty good day at the range. This is the 100-yard line here. You can see it right there, 100 yards. And I was tagging this steel every shot. 100 yards. Pretty good.